Okay, so I found this chart right where I found it, and I kind of annotated it with some extra things. So really, I thought this was super helpful. It's like how you find a limit. Okay, and really the first thing you want to do is you want to sort of take whatever this is and you want to put A in. That's like always your first step. Okay, and sometimes you look out and you just get a number and you think, oh, that's probably the limit. It's a nice function. Nothing crazy happens with it. But we sort of looked at some other cases. And again, this doesn't work so much with piecewise. This is like the function is just defined. Okay, so we had the one case where we got a number in the top. That was the one with the e to the x on the bottom. And you got a zero number on the bottom. And we had some kind of, and they should probably have that. You get this vertical asymptote there. You get this explosion, okay? And then sometimes you plug in the number and you get 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form. And so we're going to learn a different way to do limits. So we don't want to spend a ton of time on sort of these other algebraic ways that you can sort of simplify limits, because later on we're going to have this cool way to do it using calculus. But a lot of times they want you to be able to factor. So that's what we did in the one problem. We factored and we found the removable discontinuity. And we figured out what number we could put in there. All right. Now, sometimes you're going to find limits from your graphs. You're going to find limits from tables. But the thing about the College Board, like they're asking you a question for a particular reason. There's like usually one technique that's going to work to answer the question they ask. But figure out how you want to save this chart. I think this one's super helpful. All right. Thanks.